it's Vanessa from Italian Spoon. Today's a special day. It's Italian Spoon's second birthday. I just wanted to take the opportunity to say thank you for supporting us. It's been a great 2 years. It's been a great journey. For those of you that haven't seen our blog or our website, check it out, www.italianspoon.com.au. Now for the moment of truth. This video is about nailed it or failed it. Hopefully nailed it. I made the mistake in not lining the bowl with cling film, a very, very essential step to make sure that the zuccotto comes out. Now, let's say that I got caught up in the excitement of creating this cake and I forgot that step. Let's, for the moment of truth, let's find out if it actually comes out. Moment of truth. I'm so happy that, oh my gosh, okay, alright, that never happened. To those of you that are watching, I don't recommend that you take that by chance. That was a very silly mistake that I made, but in saying that, it all worked out, so it's fine. Just going to sprinkle it with cacao amaro, so with unsweetened cocoa. I'm using Perugina cocoa. I find that really, really good one that's available in Australia. So I'm just going to use that one. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top, as so. How does that look? A little bit more.